Hello, welcome back, or welcome to those who's first time watching me. Welcome to MsLinh lesson. We are actually up to lesson number 10 now. If you've been watching all of my videos, wow, give yourself a very big clap. I'm so very proud of you. And if this is the first time you watch MsLinh, I am also very proud of you in actually taking a step in wanting to learn. Now that's a very big step to take already. So good job for you as well. Okay, so today is actually our lesson 10. We're going to do a little bit of revision. So go back and talk about everything that we have learned during the last 9 lessons. So if you're new, don't worry, we're going to go through everything today anyway. How cool is that? So what we're going to be doing is, first we're going to count from 1 to 100. Then we're going to count backwards from 30, count backwards. And then we're going to skip count by 2. We're going to count by 2s. And then we're going to count by 10s. Yeah? And then we're going to do a little bit of addition and subtraction using our fingers and also using number line. Okay, you should all be an expert by now. So you're going to tell me all the answers, right? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Because I am. Let's start. So our first task for today is we're going to be counting 1 to 100. So this is a bit of warm up, okay? Are you ready to count? Let's count all together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next one, 11. Good job. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And what's after 20? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, good job. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Very good. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Very good. So now do you think you can count backwards? Oh, a little bit tricky, huh? But I know you can do it. We're just going to count backwards from 30, okay? Just from 30. Okay, are you ready to count backwards with me? From 30, okay? I will go slow. Go slow, join me. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High five! You are so clever. Do you know that? So clever. How about now we're going to skip count? Yeah, we're going to count by twos. Remember, skip count is when we count one. So we actually start from 0. We skip, we count, we skip, we count. Yeah? Okay. Join in when you're ready, okay? If you're not sure, just listen for now. We're just going to count up until 30, okay? Okay, so we start with 0, skip the 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Correct. Now we're going to count by tens, okay? Tens. So all the numbers down here, all the last one here. Yeah? Okay, are you ready? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome. Good. 5 and good job. Now we will be doing addition. Yes, plus, adding on or getting more, having more. Addition. Now, if you have a whiteboard at home or wherever you are, if you have a whiteboard and a marker or a grey lead and a paper, pause the video and you can go and get it now. Okay? Pause the video and go and get your whiteboard or paper. So, are you ready now? Look what I got. So let's count the first row. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we going to do? We're going to write 4. Now we have more stars on the second row. We have more. So when we have something more or something extra, we use addition. We plus. Okay? So when you get more of something, we use addition. Let's see how many more stars do we have here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we write here 5. Now who knows what the answer is? Can you tell me how many stars there are altogether? Are you counting? I am waiting. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars. So can you please say it with me? 4 plus 5 equal 9. So good. You too good. Okay, let's do one more time. Now, how many triangles do you see on the first row? Now, there's quite a lot of triangles here. Do we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's take quite long, eh? Yeah. Do you know that we can skip count? We learned that already, yeah? How we count 1, and then we skip, and then we count. This applies to these pictures as well. You can do exactly the same thing. So we skip the 1, we count 2 triangles, we skip the 3, we count 4. That way it is faster. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's take too long. I'm just going to do 2, 4, 6. Okay? There are 6 triangles on the first row. Can you see how much faster it is when you skip count? When you know how to count by 2, it is so much more sufficient. Okay, now we got extra, so we're going to use the plus. Can you see again? There's a lot. I do not want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, that will take forever. I'm going to skip count. I'm going to count by 2. I'm going to count 2 at a time. So that way it would be so much faster. I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 triangles on the second row. So this first number represents this first row. This second number represents this second row. So equal. Who can tell me the answer? Take your time. Counting, count. Are you counting? I will wait for you. That's okay. Take your time. Okay, let's check, okay? I'm going to skip count a little bit faster. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There are 14 triangles. Now, do we write 14 like this? Too far apart. That's a 1 and that's a 4, but they are too far apart. We need to make sure it's close together like this. So that way people will know it's a 14 and not just a 1 and a 4. So when you write it close together, it is a 14. So make sure your numbers, the two numbers, are not too far apart. They must be close to each other. Now we will be doing subtraction, and it's represented by like just a line across, like a dash, okay? So this one is opposite of addition. It is subtraction. It is take away. It is less. So what we did before was add on. There's more, but now we're going to take away and have less. Let's try the first one. Okay, I have 6 dots, yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots. So I'm going to write 6 first, okay? So write on your whiteboard or paper, number 6, yeah? 6 dots, 6. Yeah? So the picture have to match with the number, okay? And now, I don't like it that much. I'm going to rub out 2. I'm going to cross this out. I do not like that. I think it's a bit odd looking. I do not need that many dots. So when we have less, we're doing the opposite of what we did just before. We're going to have less now because we just rub 2 out. So I'm going to write take away. How many? 1, 2. So I'm going to rub out 2. Okay. Rub out 2. And that's give me how many dots left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots left over. Cool? Okay, let's do one more practice. Now, how many squares do we have all together? All together, okay? 1, 2. Oh no. That's take too long. I'm not going to do that. No. I'm not going to do that. Too long. I'm going to count by 2. So it's save me time. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 10 squares. Okay, so I'm going to write number 10. So remember, they have to be close to each other, yeah? 10 squares. So we write the 10 here. Take away. I don't think I need the second row at all. I don't want that second row to be there. So I'm just going to cross that off. Okay, I don't want it. I don't like it. I don't need it. But instead of rubbing it off, I just put a cross so you understand, so you can see a little bit more clearly. So I've crossed off 1, 2, 3, 4. I have crossed off 4 squares. Yes? Now we got equals. So 10 take away 4 equals how many square do I have left over on the first row? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So 10 take away 4 equals 6. Very good. Now, if you're still not sure what I'm doing here yet, that's okay. You can always go back to all the previous videos I have posted on here to watch it again, and you can watch it as many times as you like. Okay, so this is actually videos number 10 now. You can go back to video I think 8 and 9 is about subtraction, and there's further back like maybe 4, 5, 6 is addition, or you can even go back to number 1 and watch from the very beginning. So whenever you're free, you can watch my videos as many times as you like. Does this look familiar? We've been going through this a few lessons now. You should be familiar with it. If not, that's okay. That's why we're here to learn, right? So this is called a number line. So here, this number line, every number line have different numbers, all right? They don't always have the same range. They all don't always start from 0. They can start from any number. And they don't always go up by 1. But this particular number line starts with 0, finishes at 10, and go up by 1 at a time. Now, do you remember what's the rule for number line? So first of all, in a number line, any number line, the rules for any number line is each gap, it has to be the same. It has even the same amount of gap. It has to be the same size. And each of the number have to have the same pattern. Like if go up by 1 or go up by 2, you cannot change the pattern. You cannot go 1 and then jump by 2 or 3, okay? They have to be evenly spaced, and they have to go up by the exact same amount all along the line. And another rule is you have to do one at a time. You cannot go like this, and then like this, and then like this. We have to go one at a time, yeah? We have to go one number, one line at a time. Here we have 3 plus 4 equals. So this is a plus. It's addition. You're going to get more. So we're going to go this way. We're going to go forward. Forward, okay? So remember, the first number tells you where to start. So I'm going to find 3. I'm going to circle it. And I'm going to make a mark here. And the second number tells you how many steps you have to take. This one says 4. So we're going to take 4 steps forward. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it lands on 7. So our answer will be 3 plus 4 equals 7. Very good. Now, using exactly the same number line, I'm going to use a different color now. I'm going to do subtraction. I'm going to do 8 take away 2. Okay? So now it's a takeaway, subtraction. Now we're going to go backwards, but the same rules apply. So the first number tells you where to start. That part stays the same. So we're going to find number 8 and we're going to circle it. And the second number, same rules. It tells you how many steps you need to take. So 2 means you're going to take 2 steps. But this time, instead of going forward, we're going to go backwards, okay? This is why I use a different color. So we're going to take 2 steps backwards this way. So number 2, we're going to go 1, 2, and it lands on number 6. So the answer will be 6. So 8 minus or take away 8 take away 2 equals 6. Now does that make sense? I hope it does. So again, like I said, if you're still not sure, go back to all my videos and watch them all as many times as you like. You can just take your time. This is what learning is all about. Yeah, we are here to learn. So do not be shy or hesitate or embarrassed, because you may be watching this for the first time, and so that is okay. But this is kind of a revision class, so I only give one example of each thing so that you can go back and learn anything that you still don't understand. Now, the last thing we're going to do for today is our fingers. We've been learning a lot about our fingers, so we can use our fingers to add, plus, more, or subtract, take away, yeah? And remember, they are our best resources because it's always with us. So make sure whenever you're stuck, you're not sure, use your fingers to help you. And one thing that we already know, remember, this helps us to be a little bit more sufficient, is one hand has 5 fingers. We always already know one hand has 5 fingers, okay? We do not need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah? We all know it's got 5 fingers, don't we all? And 2 hands is 10 fingers. They are 5. If I go like this, a 5 and a 5 is 10. So we would already know 5 plus 5 equals 10. And therefore, 10 take away 5 gives you 5. Can you see the connection there? So now let's say this is 5. We all know 5 fingers. We're going to add plus 2 more. 1, 2. So 5 plus 2 gives you 7 equals 7. Therefore, 7 take away the 2 gives you 5. Or 7 take away the 5 gives you 2. Can you see how all the numbers are connected to each other? Or 2 plus the 5 gives you 7. Good job. You know, you've done really, really well today. MsLinh is so happy. I am very, very happy. Now, moving on to our next lesson, I will hope to see you again. We're going to learn about shapes. And then in future, we learn about money, about time, about clock, all the different objects. Oh my God, I'm so excited. But please, please come to my next video, next lesson. I can't wait to see you again. We're going to be learning all the different names about shapes and things that we find around us, what shapes they are. And you will tell me what shapes they are and what shapes you can find. Are you cool with that? You all happy? We all good? I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.